Okay, this is a full 4x4 Rubik's Cube solve. Note the time, this is not a reverse scramble. Note the time, if you can get a focus, is approximately 5:30.
It's been done before, you know.
Let's go. Went out of shot there.
My bad.
Looking good.
Sugar. I went the wrong way. Oh, it's really stupid to turn this one.
You're rushing.
Yeah, it's horrible. Trying to do it fast.
That's your problem, maybe.
I'll just chill it down a bit. Can't really do a 4x4 stupidly fast. You can get it in like a minute.
I think you're way over a minute there.
No, I'm totally over a minute. I'm not saying I'm doing it in a minute now. I'm saying you can get it about a minute, I think.
Ooh.
Beautiful. Oh, Jesus. It's not even the right biddy.
Is this a complete total fail?
No.
He's good. You're at 2 minutes 40 so far.
Oh, God, that's just appalling. Okay, we're done.
Ish.
Gosh. I may have just boogered it. That was fail.
I wasn't too bad. We'll catch up next time on the 1 minute challenge.